Hi, this is Elena Trego. Professor Stephen Cohen, I listened to your commentary on several TV stations regarding Ukraine and Russia. I think it is fine for you to express your opinion even if it is controversial, like saying that Vladimir Putin is a relatively liberal leader. What I think is not fine for you, being a professor, being an educator, to make a statement which is not supported by any facts, to make false argument. This is anti-academic. You make a statement over and over again in your commentary that Ukraine's crisis happened because Ukraine was put in front of a choice by the West, whether to go to the EU or to go to Russia. And Ukraine is a divided country, you say, and it could not make this choice. And that's why the conflict happened within the society. It's absolutely untrue. Ukrainian revolution happened because its people could not tolerate Ukraine's criminal authoritarian dictator Yanukovych any longer. And they decided to bring him down. His decision not to sign the association agreement with the EU was only a trigger that set those protests. It was an indicator for people that Viktor Yanukovych is not going to build a democracy in Ukraine, that his regime is going to become only more repressive, more authoritarian, more criminal, more corrupt than it used to be before. Because Viktor Yanukovych decided that he is going to become a client of Vladimir Putin's regime, just like, for example, we see in neighboring Belarus. And that's why the revolution happened and he was brought down, because people could not tolerate having such regime in their country. They wanted to live in a relatively free country where human rights are respected, where there is rule of law, and where the corruption is not that outrageous. And finally, in that revolution, there were no clashes, no fights between citizens who were pro-Russian and citizens who were pro-European. The conflict, the fight was between citizens and the state.